Hi everyone, how are you all doing? This is Ankita, the new class teacher, and I will be teaching you mathematics. So, please take out your maths book, copy, and let's just start. So, we will now study chapter 1, numbers. So, we know that numbers are everywhere. When you come to class, you get your roll number. Your parents also have the phone numbers. And when you count anything, then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, everywhere there is numbers. So in the previous class, we have studied numbers, making numbers from the digit 0 to 9, expanded form, standard form, writing everything, base value, base volume, we all have studied this, right? So now in class 3, we will study about comparison of 3-digit numbers. So let's start with comparing of numbers, 3-digit numbers. So let's take an example, 699 or 701. So if we write with the place value, 6 comes in the place of 100, 9 comes in the place of tens, and 9 comes in the place of ones. We write both the numbers in their place value chart. Now we look into the hundreds place. Okay, so what we see here in the number 699, 6 comes in the place of hundreds place, and in the number 701, 7 comes in the place of 100 place. So which is greater, students? 6 or 7? 7 is greater. So when we compare the 100 place, we get that 7 is the larger number than 6. So ultimately 701 is the larger number. Let's take another example, 232 or 231. So in the number 232, we write the numbers in 100, tens and ones place, and in the number 231, we write the numbers again in the 100, tens and ones place. Now we will compare. We see the 100 position, both the numbers are equal. Here also there is 2, and in the number 231 there is also 2. Okay, if both the numbers in the 100 place are equal, we move to the tens place. In the tens place there is 3, and here also there is 3. So both the numbers in the tens place are also equal. So now we move to the ones place. In the ones place there is 2 in the number 232, and in this one there is 1 in the number 231. So tell me, students, which is greater? 2 is the greater number than 1. So ultimately 232 is larger than 231. Clear? Now we just move to the number patterns. So what are patterns? So if the numbers are arranged in a certain rule or in a particular way, we say that it is in patterns. Let's take an example. The first example we take is 480, 490, 500, and then 510. So we can see that the numbers increases by 10. Okay, increases by 10. So the pattern here is 10 more in the each number. So the next number is, see, 480 plus 10 we get 490, plus 10 we get 500, plus 10 we get 510. The next number will be 520. Again the next number will be 530. Again the next number will be 540. Then 550. Clear? Let's take another example, 70, 63, 56, 49. So in this the pattern is 7 less. Okay, 7 less. So 70 minus 7 is 63. 63 minus 7 is 56. 56 minus 7 is 49. 49 minus 7 is 42. Minus 7 is 35. Minus 7 is 28. Minus 7 is 21. Okay, so pattern is writing the numbers in a certain way or in a particular way. It follows a certain rule. So clear, students? Now we will study about 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. What are 4-digit numbers? If we add 1 to 999, we get a 4-digit number, right? Smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the largest 4-digit number is 9999. So in this also, let's take an example. Suppose 3251. We'll have to write the place value, the face value, and in the expanded form, the standard form, everything. So if we take a number 3251, we write in their place value position, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we write the number 3251 in the place value position. So we see how we write in the ones place. 1 into 1. Tens place is 5 into 1 tens. This is 50. 200 is 2 into 100. This is 200. 3000 is 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. This is the place value. And like the same, if I ask you what is the place value of 5, you will tell me 5 tens. Place value of 3 is 3000. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 2 is 2. Understood? Now let's just move into the expanded and the standard form. So students, now we will study about the expanded form of a number and the standard form of a number, how to write them. So let's take an example of writing the expanded form of the number 6320. So we know that 6 comes in the place of 1000, 3 comes in the place of 100, 2 comes in the place of tens, and 0 comes in the place of ones. So we write as 6,000, 6000, 300, 300, 20, and 0 ones. So 6,000 is 6,000, 300s, 2 tens, and 0 ones. This is the expanded form of the number 6320. Now we move to the standard form. Standard form of the number 4,000, 900s, 5 tens, and 0 ones. So 4,000 is 4 into 1,000, 900 is 9 into 100, 5 tens is 5 into 10, and 2 ones is 2. So we multiply 4 into 1000 is 4000, 9 into 100 is 900, 5 into 10 is 50, and 2. So now what we do? We add all the numbers. So 4, 9, 5, 2. This is the standard form of the number 4,000, 900s, 5 tens, and 0 ones. Clear? Now how to write the numbers on the abacus? Okay. So we know that in the abacus, there are beads on the rods. Okay. So we just count the beads and write the numbers. So in the ones place, we know that this is ones, tens, 100, and 1000. So in the ones place, how many beads are there? 1. Okay. So we write 1. In the tens place, count the number of beads. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many beads? 6 beads. In the hundreds place, there is 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. In the thousand place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5. So the number is 5361. So writing the numbers on the abacus of a 4-digit number is like this. Very easy. So now we will study comparing of 4-digit numbers. Like we have studied the comparison of 3-digit numbers, we will now study the comparison of 4-digit numbers. So like so, first we will compare the numbers in the thousands place. What is the number in the thousands place? Let's just write the numbers in which place they are present. Thousands, 100, tens, ones. So first we will look into 8 and 9, the numbers in the thousand place. So what is the number in the thousand place? In the number 8471, 8 is the number that comes in the thousands place. And in the number 9385, 9 is the number that comes in the thousands place, right? So 8 is greater or 9 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So 9385 is greater than 8471. Let's just take another example, 2231 or 2238, that is 2231 or 2238. If we look into the numbers, what we see in the thousands place, here is also 2 in the number 2231, and here is also 2 in the number 2238. So if the numbers in the thousand place are equal, we move to the hundreds place. What is the number in the hundred place? It is 2. Here is also 2. So if both the numbers are same in the hundred place, we move to the tens place. What we see in the tens place, there is 3, and in the tens place, here is also 3. So now we will just move to the ones place. What we look, that in the number 2231, 1 comes in the place of ones, and in the number 2238, 8 comes in the place of ones. So tell me students, which is greater, 1 or 8? Exactly, 8 is greater than 1. So ultimately what we get, 2231 is less than 2238. So students, I hope everything is clear to you. You understood every point what we discussed today. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, you practice your maths more and more. Do your homework, worksheets, exercises very nicely, okay? So till then, bye-bye, take care, and think high.